Hi y'all, Stacy Holman here. I don't know why I said y'all, but I did. I'm sitting on my rocking chair and there's no cushion, so I have a pillow underneath, so I need to scooch it up. All right, so January unboxing, that's what this video is about. And again, I'm sorry about the wall. We still haven't gotten to it. We're redoing the room. We just got windows installed. So excited about that. All right. So, about the unboxing, supplemental, wellness supplements, that's what I'm going to call this video. Alright, so what I have here, I have Life 9. This is a probiotic supplement, and squeeze it in. Detoxzyme is a dietary supplement. Life 9, I have not tried yet. As you can see, the label's still on there. So I haven't tried it yet. I've heard great things about it, and it's a probiotic. We all need probiotics to help our systems fight off bad stuff. And then Detoxzyme, I have taken that before. Fantastic product. I take it in between meals, but I'll get to this in just a minute. And then I also got Savvy Minerals Mascara. I don't wear a lot of makeup, but if I wear makeup, just a quick, I like to wear mascara because my lashes are really thin. Anyway, mascara kind of thickens them up a little bit. So, Life 9. I have some notes here, so I'll be looking down every now and then to remind me of what I'm talking about. So, Life 9 probiotic supplement. Again, I haven't tried this, but after this video, you better believe I'm going to. All right, so Life 9, this helps stabilize metabolism, supports the immune system, and normalizes gut health, which is extremely important. I know for me, I get really bad indigestion every now and then. I think I'm testing food out now to see what gives me indigestion and what doesn't. So I'm like testing. I'm testing foods. So gut health is really important to me. So therefore it's gut friendly. There's live probiotics, keto friendly, and cruelty free. That's extremely important to me. I've been using cruelty free products for many years. I believe every single thing should be natural. There shouldn't be any chemicals in there that has to be tested on animals, because if they're tested on animals and to see how they're going to affect the human body, why would I want to put that on me? I don't. So, let me see the directions. You take 1 capsule before bed or as needed. I'm sorry. Take 1 capsule every night following a meal or as needed. So that's how I'm gonna take it. Take it one at a time, and then the as needed part, see how your body reacts to it, see how you feel after taking it. And if you feel you need to take more, go ahead. I mean, it says as needed right here. Yeah, take 1 tablet every night following a meal as needed. All right. This also pairs well with Inner Defense. Inner Defense is similar, but Inner Defense does just about the same thing, but it also supports the respiratory system function. So next month I'm going to get the Inner Defense, because I'm going to be getting this every month, so I'm also going to get Inner Defense, and I'm going to see how they pair well together. So Detoxing, again, I've been taking this for, this will actually be my 2nd month in a row that I'm taking this, and this is fantastic. You take 1 to 2 capsules between meals. And what it does is it supports the digestive system. It breaks down food, and it relieves like bloating, discomfort of feeling bloated, gassy. What else? I mean, just it relieves the feeling of fullness. I mean, once you're full, don't, you need to stop eating. But sometimes, like, if I don't eat that much, my stomach, I don't know, something in my stomach won't agree with something. So I'll feel mostly bloated, or indigestion. So this is fantastic stuff. This relieves that pain. This is also keto friendly, gut friendly, and cruelty free, of course. So not a supplement, but one I can put on my face, is Savvy Minerals by Young Living. This is black mascara. It's infused with lavender. Lavender is great for hair, conditioning hair. I use it on my hair all the time. It's made with all natural ingredients, and as a matter of fact, what's mind-blowing is that there are some products, there's over 2,500 products that Young Living will ban from putting into their products. I'm sorry, there's 2,500 ingredients that Young Living bans from putting in their product. And some of those are sulfates, mineral oil, synthetic fragrances, dyes, and obviously a lot more if there's 2,500 ingredients. And just imagine, you guys, 2,500 ingredients that Young Living bans from their products. These manufacturing companies, I feel like they don't care about me, because whatever we put on our skin seeps into our bodies through our skin, gets in our bloodstream, and that's what is flowing through our body. Those chemicals, those harsh chemicals. So Young Living does not do that. Young Living protects us. They protect us from all of those bad ingredients. So try for yourself. I'm going to put the link where you can get these products in the description below. So make sure you check it out, and I will see you next month for a February unboxing. I love you all. Stay well. 2022, the new you. Mwah. I love you all. Bye.